Welcome to My Deal Explorers! Today, we're excited to showcase some amazing automotive products available on Amazon. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the links to all products in the description or pinned in the first comment. Let's dive right in! Product 1. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. Enhance your driving experience with the Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. This innovative air freshener uses atomization to deliver a pleasant fragrance throughout your car. Each bottle of perfume lasts up to 4 months, and you can adjust the concentration to your preference. It features auto on-off functionality and a built-in battery, making it convenient and easy to use. Perfect for keeping your car smelling fresh and inviting. Product 2. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Easily clean hard-to-reach areas in your car with the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. This innovative gel picks up dust and debris from air vents, buttons, and other crevices. It's reusable and leaves no residue, ensuring a thorough and convenient cleaning experience. Perfect for keeping your car interior spotless. Product 3. Vankor Car Trash Can. Keep your car clean and organized with the Vankor Car Trash Can. This hanging waterproof trash bag is designed to hold all your garbage securely, preventing leaks and spills. Its compact size and leak-proof design make it perfect for any vehicle. An essential accessory to maintain a tidy and pleasant car environment. Product 4. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Ensure your safety on the road with the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This advanced rearview mirror camera features 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera, providing clear and detailed footage. It includes smart driving assistance with ADAS and BSD, voice control, night vision, and parking monitoring. A 32GB memory card is included, making it ready to use right out of the box. Perfect for capturing every detail of your journey. Product 5. Govee Dreamcolor LED Car Interior Lights. Transform your car's interior with the Govee Dreamcolor LED Car Interior Lights. These smart lights are controlled via an app and offer a wide range of colors and effects to suit any mood or occasion. They feature a 2-line design for easy installation and can be synced to music for a dynamic lighting experience. Perfect for adding a personalized touch to your vehicle's interior. Product 6. Lufi X1 OBD2 Gauge Display. Monitor your car's performance with the Lufi X1 OBD2 Gauge Display. This multifunctional gauge displays boost, speed, water temperature, and multiple ECU data combinations. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and offers real-time data to help you keep track of your car's health. Perfect for car enthusiasts and those who want to optimize their vehicle's performance. Product 7. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K UHD, ensuring clear and detailed footage. It features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, night vision, and a 2.4-inch IPS screen. Perfect for documenting your drives and providing evidence in case of accidents. Product 8. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Ensure your tires are always properly inflated with the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This powerful air pump features a 25,000 mAh battery and can reach up to 150 psi, making it suitable for cars, bikes, and motorcycles. It offers 2x faster inflation compared to standard models and includes a digital pressure gauge for accurate readings. Its cordless design makes it convenient to use anywhere. Product 9. Fanttik V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with the Fanttik V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. This high-power vacuum delivers 12,000 pascals of suction power, making it perfect for picking up dust, debris, and pet hair. It features a lightweight design, flexible hose, and a pet brush, ensuring thorough cleaning. With a fast charging time of 2 hours, it's ready to tackle any mess in your car or home. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can find the links to all products in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing finds. See you next time.